To use PressForward, first you'll have to install the PressForward plugin. To do this, you'll go on your WordPress dashboard, you'll go to the left side where the navigation is, and go down to where it says plugins. You'll go and press Add New. Once you've done this, you'll go on the search bar and type in PressForward. And you should see the PressForward plugin right here. You'll press on Install Now. Once it's been installed, you can activate it so that it shows up on your actual dashboard. As you can see, it is now over here on the left side. So once you've installed the PressForward plugin, you'll now be able to nominate text, videos, and images and the like from outside web pages and share it on your platform. To do this, you'll need to use the Nominate bookmarklet, which can be found in the PressForward plugin under All Content. You can just drag the Nominate button to your preferred browser bookmark bar. So you just drag it like this over here, and now you can start using it. So for example, if I'm trying to share an event, I'll go on the website of that event. So over here on climate change, there's an event, and I can press Nominate this, the button that is now on the bookmark bar. And it should pop up a separate browser so that you can nominate the event or article or whatever it is you're sharing. And you can change the date and add an author. So you'll press Nominate here, which will be sent to your WordPress. You close this window, go back here, and now under PressForward, you'll press Nominated. Under Nominated, you'll see that the event has been sent to your PressForward, and to send it to your events page or to your news page, you'll press on either this item or this one. Since it's an event, I'll be pressing the calendar icon, and now that will send to events. And you can scroll up to where it says events, press that, and now you have your events, and you can press on edit and make the necessary changes so that you can press publish and it will show up on your front page.